Hi, thank you so much for watching. My name is Culture, and today I'm sharing with you my part 2 of the Urban Dolls Eyelash Extension Kit. If you haven't watched my first video, I do the full application of the eyelashes and look at all of the products, and so I will link that video down below. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend watching it so you can understand a little bit more about this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with the last week of wearing these lashes, and then in another week I'm going to continue filming this video and show you how I remove these lashes. So I hope you stay tuned to the end so you can see the full process of wearing these lashes and then taking them off. So today marks 1 week of wearing these lashes, and let me just say they have held up so nicely. The application process was very quick. If I wasn't recording a video, I think I would have done it a lot faster, but I was talking through everything. But even then, filming, it took no time at all. So I've been doing my own eyelash extensions for over 10 years, if you can believe it, and I've been using other products. I loved that the lash adhesive is like a mascara, so it's like foolproof. If you know how to put mascara on, then you know how to use this lash adhesive, and then you just place on your lashes. And I have been taking care of my lashes really well. I used to wear eyelash extensions, professional eyelash extensions, so I know the drill. So these are after 1 week, and I haven't had any of them fall off in the middle of the night. Sometimes I'll find lashes on my pillowcase because they've come off. None of them are coming off at all, like on the edges or anything. I am really surprised because sometimes I have issues with like the most inner ones or the most outer ones, and I have had no issues so far. So I'm gonna keep these on for 1 more week, but in the meantime, I'll share with you some tips and tricks on how I make these lashes last. So tip number 1 is to not get them wet for about 24 hours. I just follow the rule of what the pros say whenever you go get pro eyelash extensions. You don't want to get your eyelashes wet for 24 hours so that the adhesive can fully, marinate, develop, dry, so that your lashes can stay on for the long haul. So I don't get them wet. I know that if you're wearing makeup or you're sweating, you work out, you're thinking, how am I gonna wash my face if I don't get my face wet or my lashes wet? So what I do is I take a cleanser and I get my hands wet, and then I clean off my face. I don't touch my eyes or my eyelashes. And then I either take a face towel or a makeup eraser, those little towels that help you take off your makeup, or I'll use one of those like reusable poofs is what you call it. And then I will wipe away all of the makeup, dirt, everything around, and the water as well. I'll wring that out continuously until all of the face cleanser is gone. And then what I'll do is actually do the whole process again, because I feel like washing your face twice really gets all of that off. My second tip is whenever you're cleaning your face, try not to use an oil-based cleanser just in case it happens to get on your eyes, because the oil-based cleansers or oil-based products just in general are going to lessen the length of your lashes. As far as the adhesive goes, it's going to start breaking it down, and then it's not going to stay dry. It's going to loosen up. So try to not use any oil-based makeup products, cleansers, toners, whatever it is around your eyes. If you want to have that all around your face except for your eyes, that's totally okay. Just make sure it doesn't get on your eyes. Tip number 3 is try to not sleep on your face. I am a side sleeper. I just try to not sleep like on my eyes. I know that sounds really weird. Like, how can you help it? I don't know what it is. I just know occasionally I'm a really light sleeper. I don't know if that helps, but sometimes occasionally I'll feel myself sleeping like on at my eye, and I'll wake up and then kind of adjust myself. So I don't know if that's going to be easy for you. So if you do happen to wake up and then you see your eyelashes are kind of bent, try to not like pull them off. Either use the remover that the kit comes with and then remove it and then put it back on. But really just try to be gentle when you're sleeping. If you can, be aware of it. But again, I'm a side sleeper, so I don't actually sleep on my face. My next tip, I think it's tip number 4, is because your lashes will look so just like glam depending on what style you get. This is the fantasy style lash, which I absolutely love. They're so gorgeous. I've gotten compliments on them already. Is that you don't actually need to have a ton of eye makeup on on top of your lashes. Because your lashes are gonna be so luscious and beautiful, you don't need to put eyeliner, you don't even really need to put eyeshadow because it's gonna be covering it anyways. And so what I do is I avoid wearing eyeliner or eyeshadow, or definitely don't wanna put mascara on, because then I don't have to take that extra step to try and clean it and use removers or anything that's gonna disturb that adhesive. So I don't wear any other eye makeup other than right now what is just the eyelashes, and then everything else on the bottom, like concealer, mascara, eyeliners, just on the bottom lashes, and that doesn't disturb anything on the top lashes where you have your lash adhesive and the lashes on. And I think my last tip would be, because beyond that there really isn't anything else that you need to be worried about, but every couple of days I like to take the lash spoolie that's included with your lashes and kind of brush through the lashes just so they look a little bit more alive, fluffy. All right, so the next time you see me, I will show you how to remove them. So this is after 2.5 weeks. I wasn't able to film right at the 2-week mark, but look at how good these lashes still look. I am quite shocked. I could honestly leave them in, but it's not healthy to leave your extensions in longer than 2 weeks. So you want to make sure that you're taking them off regularly to get your lashes to breathe themselves, and then you can reapply them when you're ready. So this is the remover right here that comes with the kit, or you can buy it separately on the Urban Doll website. And I am using the little applicator that each of the eyelashes come with. And it's a kind of like an oily serum, so you don't need a lot. And I actually wouldn't dip it inside the bottle. You want to take this little applicator and squeeze it onto the little brush that it comes with, because you don't want to contaminate the remover itself. So from the directions, it shows that you need to just gently place it on top of your natural lashes and then let that kind of sit for a few minutes. And then one thing that I am so shocked about is that you can actually open your eyes with this remover on. It doesn't burn. It feels like some kind of like oil based, like baby oil almost, but obviously it's not baby oil. It's their formula that you can remove the lashes. And look at how easy it was to remove the lashes. I am beside myself. It doesn't burn, which is insane because a lot of eyelash extension glues do burn. I've done them at home before. If you don't pull them off right away, don't force it. Just let that remover sit down on top of your lashes for a little while longer, and then they should easily pull off without any force at all. So I took a little bit more of that applicator, brushed it on, waited another minute, and again, still shocked that you can open your eyes. And I could probably have waited a little bit longer on that lash. Just be patient. There you go. I mean, so easy. So now I'm taking a cotton round and placing some of that remover on top of it so I can let it soak into my natural lashes and just take off the lash adhesive. It's coming off nicely, and I'm just going to keep working that in. Now to help some of that glue that's still on there a little bit, I'm going to take the spoolie and kind of brush through. As you can see, some of the pieces from the eyelash adhesive is coming off onto the brush, which is exactly what I want. I don't want to use my fingers to pull them off because I feel like I could probably pull off my natural lashes, and I don't want to do that. So if you are worried about using this type of product on your lashes, as you can see, my lashes are still there, they're still intact, and I cannot even tell you how excited I am about this removal process. All right, now both lashes are lash extension free. I'm going to let my lashes breathe for a little while. I'm not going to reapply the lash extensions probably for maybe about a week. And if you're curious, this is what my lashes look like the next morning. I just put mascara on. I actually didn't even curl my lashes. My lashes are still long, they're still intact, and they're healthy. Don't forget to check the description box below and a discount code that you can use when you just click on the link. Thank you in advance because it does give me a small commission. And I will see you guys all on my next one. Bye.